Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on setting up Kotlin development environment. In this tutorial, we'll be walking you through the entire process of setting up Kotlin development environment. Before we get started, we'll need to ensure that we have the following installed. JDK Java Development Kit. JDK is necessary for Kotlin to run. Make sure to have this installed. You can check whether you have it installed already by running IntelliIDEA. IntelliIDEA is a popular IDE for Kotlin development. It is recommended to have IntelliIDEA Community Edition installed, as it is free. However, a professional version is also available at a cost. To download and install IntelliIDEA, visit TopsWA, JetBrains, Commit to download and follow the instructions for your operating system. We are now ready to set up our Kotlin development environment. Step 1. Open IntelliIDEA and create a new project. The first thing we need to do is open IntelliIDEA and create a new project. This can be done in the following steps. Step 2. Configure Kotlin SDK. Next, we need to configure the Kotlin SDK. This can be done in the following steps. Step 3. Add Kotlin plugin to Intelli. Now we need to add the Kotlin plugin to Intelli. This can be done in the following steps. We've now successfully set up our Kotlin development environment. That's it for this tutorial on setting up Kotlin development environment. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't hesitate to let us know if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching and happy coding!